Okay, so to swap out any of these internals here, what you want to do is roll the material up from the bottom, just makes it easy on you, and you can then pull these components out the end of the shade like this right here, just like that. You use a pair of pliers if you need to, gripping onto this cup area here, or you can grab the nipple there, whatever you'd rather do. But either way, there's your components, and they go back in the same way. The tube is keyed. It's only going to fit correctly one way. What I'm going to do to put them back in, I'm going to line this slot with this key, and again line this key with this slot. It only goes one way. Same thing on the other end. Your key is here, your slot is here. Goes right in there, right in there. Again, the open area, so you have a slot here, this one is completely empty, and that's the one you want to use. And these are your components back in. You then want to roll it back up. Okay, and you're ready for reassembly. The same way you took it apart.